Hello, meet again with the Military Air Force News Channel, a channel that posts various advanced fighter aircraft in the world. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to this channel so that in the future we can improve it with more interesting content. The Ulyanovsk Aircraft Factory, Aviastar, handed over to the Ministry of Defense another series of Il-76MD-90, a heavy military transport aircraft. This is the fourth new Il-76MD-90A this year. The fourth military transport aircraft, Il-76MD-90A, built in 2022 at the Ulyanovsk branch of Il-PJSC Aviastar, with serial number and registration number RF-78666, was transferred to the Russian Ministry of Defense. In particular, the Il-76MD-90A version received a new PS-90A-76 engine with a thrust of 14.5 tons. This unit reduces fuel consumption, which allows increasing the flight range with a full load of 52 tons to 5,000 km. In addition, the new wing strength structure reduces the weight of the transport aircraft by 20%. The aircraft also received reinforced landing gear, the latest avionics, and onboard defense systems. The new aircraft represents the latest technical developments and is one of the most powerful and reliable air transport vehicles. Among the main advantages of the new Il-76MD-90A are improved payload and flight characteristics, as well as a modern navigation system. By 2023, the factory plans to add more than 1,100 production workers, the company added. Today, another Il-76MD-90A is on the assembly line. The factory has already made production reserves for next year. The Il-76MD-90A was developed to transport military equipment, armed personnel, heavy and long-size vehicles and cargo, in addition to airdrop missions. For the first time, Aviastar began applying new stackless technology for airframe assembly in August 2020. The Il-76MD-90A design is based on the same fuselage and airframe as the Il-76 aircraft. This cargo plane integrates advanced features such as redesigned wing sections, a new cockpit with modern avionics, and powerful engines. This aircraft has a length of 46.6 meters, a height of 14.76 meters, a wingspan of 50.50 meters, and a wingspan trapezoid of 300 meters squared. The landing gear track, outer wheel, and the diameter of the center of the fuselage are 8.16 meters and 4.8 meters respectively. The Il-76MD-90A has a maximum takeoff weight of 210 t and can carry a maximum payload of 52 t. It can accommodate up to 5 crew members. The Il-76MD-90A's advanced glass cockpit has 3 intelligent control panels and a KSEISK N76 aircraft status master monitor display system with 8 multifunction liquid crystal displays. The glass cabin provides cabin crew with a better view. The aircraft's avionics include a digital ACS-76 automatic flight control system and a new Q-Pol II-76M flight vision navigation system with display indication. The aircraft's cargo cabin is designed to be 24.5 meters long, with ramp 3.45 meters wide and 3.4 meters high. The cargo cabin offers an interior volume of 321 cubic meters. The Il-76MD-90A can carry 126 paratroopers, or 145 troops in a single-deck arrangement and 225 troops in a double-deck arrangement. The ship can also accommodate special equipment to carry 114 injured people,